Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. We will begin practice at 40 on textbook page number 73. If Rihanna deposits 1500 rupees in the school fund at 9 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount she will get? Statement you have to write. Principal P is given rupees 1500. Whatever the money you are depositing in a bank, taking a money or a loan from a bank, that will be the principal. Rate of interest R is given 9 PCPA. Rate of interest means percent interest. The unit of rate of interest is PCPA. Then time is given 2 years. Time is period. How many years? That is the time. Okay. You have to find total interest and then you have to find amount. Before you find the amount, you have to find total interest and then you have to use the formula of amount. Now you have to use the formula of interest. The formula of interest is principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. In place of principal, you have to write 1500 for next step because principal is given rupees 1500. In place of rate of interest, you have to find multiply by 9 because rate of interest is given 9 PCPA. And in place of time, you have to write multiply by 2, then upon 100. According to the formula of interest, you have to substitute the value of principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time. I have substituted the value of principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time and upon 100 I wrote as it is for next step. 0, 0 you have to cancel now. Cancel both the zeros on numerator and denominator. So first you have to multiply this. 15 nines how much? 15 nines is 135. Now you have to multiply 135 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Then 2 1s are 2. So 135 2s are I am getting 270. Therefore interest is equal to rupees 270 I am getting. Now you have to find the amount. The formula of amount is principal plus interest. This is the formula of amount. Principal is 1500 rupees. So in place of principal, you have to write 1500 rupees because you have to substitute the value of principal. That is equal to 1500 plus interest how much you got, that value you have to substitute, plus 270. I have to add this 1500 plus 270. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. So answer is coming. Amount is equal to rupees 1770. Next, Jetalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10 PCPA for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay and the total amount he returns to the bank? Principal P is given rupees 2,50,000. Rate of interest R is given 10 PCPA. Time is given 5 years. You have to find total interest and amount. First you have to find total interest. Use the formula of interest. That is interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. Now you have to substitute the value of principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time according to the formula of interest. That is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5 upon 100. Cancel both the zeros on numerator and denominator. Denominator, how much zeros are there, that much zeros you have to cancel. Like this way. So now you have to multiply 25,000 into 5. Interest is equal to 25,000 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. 25,000 ones are 25,000. Now you have to multiply 25,000 into 5. 3 zeros you have to put as it is for answer, because any number multiplied by 0 is the 0. So you have to multiply 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. That is equal to 1,25,000. Therefore, interest is equal to rupees 1,25,000. Now you have to use the formula of amount. You have to find the amount. The formula of amount is principal plus interest. Principal how much is given, that you have to write. That is equal to 2,50,000. Interest, what you got here, 1,25,000. So interest value you have to write plus 1,25,000. Now you have to add this 2,50,000 plus 1,25,000. Last 0 you have to write as it is for answer, because 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then you have to add this 0 plus 5 how much? 5. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. That is amount is equal to rupees 3,75,000. Next, Srikanth deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7 PCPA in a savings bank account. What is the total interest he received at the end of the period? Principal P is given rupees 85,000. Rate of interest R is given 7 PCPA. Time is given 2.5 years. 2.5 years means 2.5 years. Half years means you have to put decimal point 5. You have to find total interest. Use the formula of interest. Interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. Now you have to substitute the value of principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time. That is equal to 85,000 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2.5 upon 100. Cancel both the zeros on numerator and denominator. Like this way. So now you have to multiply 850 into 7 into 2.5. First you have to multiply 850 into 7 and then you have to multiply 2.5. First you have to multiply the number 850 into 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 5s are 35. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3, 59. After multiplying 850 into 7, you are getting the answer 5,950. Now you have to multiply 5,950 into 2.5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. When you multiply next digit, you have to take 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now you have to add this one. After adding 29,750, 1,19,000, what answer you get? Just check an addition. You always have to start adding from unit place. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 I carried up. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. After adding 29,750 and 1,19,000, the answer is getting 1,48,750. But you have the decimal point of the number 2.5. There is one decimal place of the number 2.5. After decimal point, there is one digit. If one digit is there after decimal point, so answer will come before one digit you have put decimal point. So that is 14,875.0. After multiplying 850 into 7 into 2.5, answer is 14,875. After decimal point, there is 0. After decimal point, if there is 0, 0 is not having any value after decimal point. Remember this. Therefore, in total interest is equal to rupees 14,875. First you have to multiply the number 850 into 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 5s are 35. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3, 59. After multiplying 850 into 7, you are getting the answer 5,950. Now you have to multiply 5,950 into 2.5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. When you multiply next digit, you have to take 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now you have to add this one. Next, at a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? You have to understand first sentence of this question. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. Means interest is given 1,200 rupees. Principal is given 5,000 rupees. Time is given 4 years. Rate of interest is not given. So you have to find rate of interest of the first sentence of this question. So what is given you have to write now? Principal P is equal to rupees 5,000. Rate of interest R you have to find. Time is given 4 years. Interest is given rupees 1,200. Now you have to use the formula of rate of interest. The formula of rate of interest is interest multiplied by 100 upon principal multiplied by time. The rate of interest formula is coming according to the formula of interest. The formula of interest you know, that is principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. And if you want to find rate of interest you have to take it on the left side and rest you have to take it on the right side according to the cross multiplication method. And that is why the rate of interest formula is interest multiplied by 100 upon principal multiplied by time according to the formula of interest. Now you have to substitute the value of interest. Interest how much is given? 1,200 rupees. So in place of interest you have to write is equal to 1,200 multiplied by 100 upon principal how much is given, that you have to write. principal is 5000, multiply by time is given 4. Now you have to cancel the zeros on numerator and denominator. How much zeros are there on denominator? That much zeros you have to cancel on numerator. Like this way. Now you have to multiply 120 into 1. So what will remain after cancelling zeros on numerator and denominator? On numerator 120 into 1. 120 ones are 120. And on denominator what number is left to multiply? 5 and 4. 5 fours are 20. That is equal to 120 upon 20. Now you have to cancel the 0 on numerator and denominator. Number 12 is going to table. Number 2 is already there on denominator. So start cancelling of this also number. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. Therefore, rate of interest is equal to 6 PCPA. Now you have to read and understand same question, other sentence. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? Second principal is given 15,000 rupees. If it is given interest on any amount, that will be the principal. But the interest on second principal is not given. You have to find interest on second principal. Same rate of interest means the rate of interest which you founded on first principal 5,000 rupees is 6 PCPA. So rate of interest you have to write 6 PCPA when you are finding interest on second principal. Same period means time you have to take same 4 years even when you are finding interest on second principal. So let's start solving. Principal P is equal to rupees 15,000. Rate of interest R is equal to 6 PCPA. Time is equal to 4 years. You have to find interest. The formula of interest is principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. Now you have to substitute the value of principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time. When you are substituting the value of principal, second value of principal what is given, that value you have to substitute. That is equal to 15,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 upon 100. I have substituted the value of principal, that is second principal. Rate of interest is 6 PCPA and time was 4 years. Cancel the zeros on numerator and denominator now. Like this way. Now what numbers are left on numerator? Write in multiplication form. That is 150 into 6 into 4. First to multiply the number 150 and 6. 6 zeros are 0. 15 6 are how much? 90. That is 150 into 6 how much getting? After multiplying 150 and 6, you are getting the answer 900. And then you multiply 900 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 nines are 36. That is equal to 3600. Therefore, interest is equal to rupees 3600. Next, if Pankaj deposits 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount he will get from the bank? Principal P is given rupees 1,50,000. Rate of interest R is given 10 PCPA. Time is given 2 years. You have to find total interest and amount. The formula of interest is principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time upon 100. You have to substitute the value of principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time. That is equal to 1,50,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2 upon 100. Cancel both the zeros on numerator and denominator. like this way. Now you have to multiply 15,000 into 1 multiply by 2. 15,000 ones are 15,000. You have to multiply 15,000 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 15 to the how much? 30. So that is equal to 30,000. Therefore, interest is equal to rupees 30,000. Now you have to find total amount, because the main question is asked what is the total amount you will get from the bank. You have to use the formula of amount. The formula of amount is principal plus interest. Principal how much is given, that only value of take. That is 1,50,000 plus interest how much you got here, rupees 30,000. That is plus 30,000. Now you have to add 1,50,000 plus 30,000. I am adding here 1,50,000 plus 30,000. After adding 1,50,000 and 30,000, I am getting the answer 1,80,000. That is equal to, amount is equal to rupees 1,80,000. If you understood maths practice set 40, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.